My name is Jody Monahan and I am the Finance Specialist here at Davis GMC Buick. Today we're going to talk about how to reestablish and establish your credit rating. How can you have bad credit? You probably have bad credit because you had a bill that you did not pay, which was then reported to one of the credit bureaus of Canada. It could be a cell phone bill, it could be a utility bill, bank loan, or a credit card. If you don't make your payments on time, those will get reported to the credit bureau, which will affect your credit for future borrowing. If you have bad credit, how can you fix that bad credit? By contacting your creditors and making payment arrangements to get those paid. By clearing up your unpaid collections, that will improve your credit score so that you could be able to borrow. If there is an issue where you're unable to make a payment, you need to contact that creditor, explain your situation, then they know you're not ignoring them. Explain the situation, and most cases all creditors will work with you to make a repayment plan or a payment schedule to get your account up to date. Vehicle loan is one of the best ways to repair your credit. It does get reported to the credit bureau as well. A vehicle loan is an installment loan that is a set amount that you borrowed at the bank. You're locked in there for, a term of 36 months or 24 months. It shows a payment history consistently of what your payment is a month over a period of time. Some banks will extend it up to 84 months. I don't suggest that you take a car loan over 84 months at this point because you're re-establishing your credit. You're trying to build that credit up. So you want to take over a 24 or 36 month loan. And once the account is paid in full, it shows a credit rating that the account was paid as agreed. You don't want to end up in a situation where your payments are good for 3 to 6 months, and then all of a sudden, now you're robbing Peter to pay Paul, and you can't afford the payments, and you're going to end up right back where you started with bad credit and possibly a repossession. Davis GMC has a program for people that are new to the country. You have to have a permanent work visa. We will do the term of the loan over the length of your work visa, so that obviously if your work visa doesn't get extended, then you're not going to end up having to return the car, which can affect your credit. We do require a minimum cash down of $500 to put down towards the vehicle. Obviously, if you have more cash down that you want to put down, you're more than welcome to do that. Just because you've gone bankrupt, that doesn't mean that you can't acquire further credit after your discharge. We do not charge high interest rates. We believe that everybody deserves a second chance. We definitely won't put you into a situation where your payments are unaffordable. We want to keep that payment affordable with your budget so that you don't end up in the same situation as you were before. You probably want to start off with something small, maybe a $7,500 to a $12,000 vehicle. Establish your credit, build your rapport with us, and slowly as your credit improves, you will eventually probably be able to buy that Mercedes-Benz one day. People are afraid to tell a creditor why they have bad credit or even to bring that up. You don't have to be. We understand that bad things happen to good people. I will not judge you. Davis GMC will not judge you. There's certain circumstances that, people can't afford to pay their bills, whether it's a job loss, a medical reason, a divorce, and we want to make you feel comfortable that you can talk about what happened so that we don't put you in a situation to get you there again. I've been in the business for 25 years, dealing with people that have had poor credit or no credit. I've helped them reestablish and establish their credit rating, so definitely you are in good hands. Everything is kept confidential. Your information is not shared with any other dealerships or any other banks. Davis GMC is your bank, and we look, we want to see you become a repeat customer, whether it's through the in-house program financing that we offer, or if you go through that program a couple times, eventually we'll get you bought through the bank. You can phone me, Jody Monahan, at 403-329-4444.